love and smiles, sticky glue and paper piles, crafting hearts with silent cheers, fingers crossed through all the years. Ooh. Cut and paste with love and smiles, sticky glue and paper piles, crafting hearts with silent cheers, fingers crossed through all the years. Glitter falls like twinkling stars, spreading joy to hearts afar. Colors clash in splendid blazes, memories trace all those phases. Handmade love for you today, crafted bright in my own way. Every fold and every line, this Valentine says you're mine. Scissors snip the sweetest notes, words of love on paper boats, floating through the sea of dreams, binding hearts with careful seams. Markers trace your name so fine, stitched within this heart of mine. Taping ribbon twirl like dancers, crafted love, no second chances. Handmade love for you today, crafted bright in my own way. Every fold and every line, this Valentine says you're mine. Thanks for hitting that red button. Now you're part of something new. Join the fun, we're never shutting. Keep the hype up just for you. You subscribe and we feel grand. Together we will take a stand. Content flowing like a river. Stay tuned for what we deliver.